Alright, here we're going to show you how to record, how to create classes in the code.org and linking to Google Classroom. So you sign in. And then continue with Google. Log in your account. Allow access. Alright, now you're on your teacher's or dashboard. So you call My Dashboard. So you click on Create a section using Google Classroom. And you select whichever classroom associated with your Google Classroom account. So for me, I'm going to using period 1 as the example. So you click on Choose Section. And then, alright, so make sure the section name is exactly what you want it. The grade level, because I'm teaching mixed grade, so I will leave it as a mixed grade level. So the course you need to select is computer science principal, and recommended is 19 through 20 school year. And unit 1, which is the first unit, unit 1 about the internet. And scroll down a little bit. You could say yes to pair programming, and then you click on Start. I'm going to type in a demo, okay, for example. So this is just demo. I'm going to delete later. So click Save. And there you have it. So you see here, I have a demo class. The grade level is a mixed level. Principal. And current unit is unit 1, the internet. I have 37 students. Alright, and Google Classroom. So later on, if you need to, if you have more student change, like more student coming or student dropping, you could actually synchronize them. So it should be somewhere that is a synchronization button. Manage student, yep, right here. Manage student. Click on synchronize student from Google Classroom. So if after that you have a student, change, more student coming or some student dropping. So whatever happened in Google Classroom, you could use it to synchronize here. So click on synchronize student from Google Classroom. So it's collecting to Google Classroom. There we go, synchronization completed. So it's a refresh. Alright, hope this helped. Thank you for watching. Okay. Have a great day.